that today I would film a full day of eating video for you because I like watching them and I always think it's interesting seeing, what people are eating. So I thought, well, I have food that I need to cook and I need to eat, relatively well today. So I figured I'd show that to you, and yeah, I'll just kind of take you throughout my day. So see you soon. Okay guys, so I'm not even going to call this a meal. I'm gonna call it like a snack because I'm not super hungry. Today was a kind of like active rest day. I just did some yoga. So I don't have much of an appetite. So all I did was do one of my little Joseph's pita with smashed avocado and egg whites, hard-boiled egg, just the whites, salt, pepper, and sriracha. I posted this on my Instagram a few days ago too with all the macros, and it is tasty. And then for my toddler, I just have some scrambled egg whites and a sliced strawberry. Hey guys, so I'm about to have a snack. Today I'm just a little off. I don't know if it's because I didn't work out or there's a lot of pollen going on right now, so I don't feel super good, but I don't really have that much of an appetite. So what I'm gonna have as my snack is an RX bar, and I love to keep these on hand. Yes, they're sugary, but they are really, really good, and they're clean. They're Whole30 approved, and I'm just gonna eat this for now and then eat my lunch in like an hour. So far kind of boring and not a lot of food, but this is also mothering calls, parenting calls. My 2-year-old is demanding. I'll be back. Hey guys, it's nap time, which means it's my lunchtime. So I am gonna show you what I'm having. Hey guys, so this is what I'm having for lunch. It is one of my chicken patties, those little chicken burgers. I have a video on that on my channel with some roasted broccoli, some spinach, some roasted broccoli flour, which is like a hybrid, some crunchy chickpeas, and then it's topped with my green goddess dressing that I absolutely love. Hey guys, so it is about 4:30 now and I'm having a little afternoon snack, so I'm going to show you what that is. Okay, so this is a bell pepper with some hummus. It's actually the sour Mediterranean red bean dip. I just tried it for the first time. Hummus everywhere. Just tried it. This is my first container of it, and it is really, really, really good. And the macros are really similar to normal hummus, so I don't know. I like it. Hey guys, okay, so I just finished making dinner and I'm gonna show you what I made. Also, I made enough to where it's also going to be my lunch for tomorrow. So that is a huge, huge tip. Be okay, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom, or actually no, this rule or tip applies to anybody. Be okay with eating leftovers. If you're already cooking dinner, make enough for you and your spouse or your partner or whomever, or your toddler to have enough for lunch the next day. Huge, huge time saver. You'll make better decisions if you have food that's already prepped in your fridge and all you have to do is heat it up. So here it is. I've got my riced broccoli, red onion, and ground chicken breast in here, and that I just browned up. It's a half a pound of ground chicken breast that I split between my leftovers and my meal, and I browned that up with some salt, pepper, and that piquillo pepper quinoa dip, this spread. And the macros on it are amazing. Okay, so that's in 2 tablespoons. I probably use 2 tablespoons in a half a pound. So what I did was I just put a bed of the riced broccoli, the chicken, and then I had some asparagus that I needed to use. So I just roasted that with some lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Really, really good. I don't know how well the two are gonna blend, so I just left that on the side. But that is what I am going to eat. Hey you guys, okay, so I just ate dinner and that red pepper, piquillo pepper, quinoa spread, so good. But this is another thing that I wanted to show you. This is from Whole Foods, and it is sparkling apple cider vinegar tonic beet tart cherry flavor. And I'd never tried this before. I typically will do a kombucha throughout the day or one of these like tonics. This one is really, really good. And I drank most of it yesterday. I just have a little bit left, but it's a great tip for if you want something a little bit sweet after you eat, which I normally do. So I'm just gonna sip on a little bit of kombucha and that should do the trick. Hey you guys, okay, so it is about 7:15. My toddler is about to go to bed, hallelujah. So I just wanted to say goodnight and just show you what I'm having as like a little sweet treat snack. And it's just a square of dark chocolate. I think this is 70 70 or 72% dark chocolate, and I got it from Whole Foods, and I keep it in my freezer. That way I am not tempted. I don't see it all the time. And I just have one little square. I always like to have something sweet at the end of the evening, or I'll sip on some tea, or I'll have my kombucha like I showed you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope if you like the full day of eating videos, let me know. I love watching them, so I actually had a really fun time creating them or creating the video. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Have a good night.